Welcome to our latest YouTube video. Today, we're going to be discussing a major announcement from one of the largest tech companies on the planet, their plans to use generative AI in their advertising business. As most of us know, artificial intelligence is becoming increasingly advanced and prevalent in our lives, and this announcement is further proof of that. Google's generative AI system will essentially be able to create its own campaigns that draw from those already made by human hands, and potentially also create similar campaigns to target different customers and markets. The AI system that will be used by Google is much more advanced than the AI used to generate simple phrases to entice customers. It's a step further than AI chatbots, which are notorious for spewing out misinformation. Fortunately, Google is aware of this potential issue and is putting guardrails in place to prevent errors. This development comes at a time when the ad industry is struggling, with businesses cutting back on their ad spending and tight privacy policies making it difficult to get personal data. This is why Performance Max, which was launched by Google in 2020 and is integrated with the AI technology, is so important. It will be responsible for creating ads and deciding where they should go using an algorithm. We are living in a world where artificial intelligence is slowly making its way into every industry, from banking to retail. It is incredibly exciting but also potentially dangerous, which is why it's important that Google is taking the necessary precautions to make sure their AI won't spread misinformation. This has been a quick overview of Google's plans to use generative AI in their advertising business. Are you excited to see where this technology can take us? Let us know in the comments section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to get more news and updates on the latest tech developments.